This video will cover an oil change on a 1990 Ford E-250 7.3-liter diesel IDI. This can be completed over lunch. Start by safely raising and securing your van. Place a collector under your oil pan, unscrew the drain plug, and let the used oil flow into your collector. Unscrew and drain your oil filter. Clean and reseat your drain plug. Inspect your new filter, coat the gasket with oil, refill, and hand seat the filter back onto the threaded post. My filter is a Motorcraft FL-784. Remove the oil filler cap and fill your van with your preferred oil. Since I am doing this change in the autumn, I am using Rotella 10W30 synthetic oil. Summer temperatures recommend 15W40. The engine and filter will require a total of 10 quarts of oil. Periodically check your dipstick while filling to ensure proper level. After that, you're all done. Enjoy your Ford E-250.